Hello, my name's Frances and I work for the outreach team.
Lovely. And what does diversionary activities mean for your clients?
It's been really beneficial for my clients. I've seen it bring a lot of them out of their shells. I like the fact that all the activities on offer are so varied, because obviously our clients are all so different, and there's some that just like sit on their own and do crafts, and there's activities for them, and there's some that like to be out and have an adrenaline rush, and there's stuff for them, and there's such a varied range of activities on offer that there's definitely something to suit everyone.
And how does diversionary support your work specifically?
I think it works well because it gives them a place to offload and bond with each other, and it helps them to regulate their emotions. The women's only group, for example, has been so helpful to the work I'm doing with a few of my female clients, and that it gives them a chance to talk to other people that have been through the similar experiences to them and take advice from other clients. It's been a really safe space for them to offload and bond with other people.